Bosch Dishwasher Model SHEM78WH5N Troubleshooting. Bosch 800 Series 24-inch smart built-in recessed handle dishwasher with 8 wash cycles, Wi-Fi enabled, 16 place settings, quick wash, water softener, Energy Star certified, Aquastop, rack moddage, Flexib. Troubleshooting. Are you having problems with your dishwasher and don't know how to solve them? Sometimes these inconveniences can be fixed easily by doing some routine maintenance tasks on your dishwasher. Follow these troubleshooting tips if you're having common dishwasher problems. Cleaning and descaling your dishwasher a few times a year will help remove greasy residues and hard water buildup and help improve cleaning efficiency. Maximize drying by using rinse aid and selecting the extra dry option. Clean your filter regularly to help improve cleaning. Load the dishes properly, ensuring there's adequate space between items. Also, check to see if the spray arms can move freely after loading the dishwasher. No need to pre-rinse dishes before loading. Just make sure the food is scraped off the dishware. Detergent needs small food debris to cling to in order to work properly.